Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will be understanding how to delete unused themes or unused plugins from your WordPress website step by step easily. Now first understand what is the significance of deleting or removing unused themes or plugins from your website. Let's keep them as it is. What is the problem? They are not using anything, we are not using anything, they are not consuming any resources. But no. If you are having a unused theme or unused plugins in your WordPress website, then they are using the space on your server. And if you have unused theme and unused plugins in your WordPress website, then it may be a threat for your WordPress website, because outdated plugins or themes or unused plugins and themes are always considered as a threat to your WordPress website, which should be immediately removed from your website so that your website does not have any loopholes from where any malicious activity or malware can be inserted. So this is the significance. So you need to always update and remove unused themes and CSS. Now how to do that? You don't need any technical knowledge for that. All you need to do is you need to just come on to the appearance part. So first we will understand how to remove the unused themes. So for that we'll go to appearance and click on themes. So at a time while you are using WordPress website, only one theme can remain active and other themes will be inactive or unused. So you can see here in my case, I am using Extra theme and it is right now active, and others are inactive themes. And if I am not having any plan to use them in future, I need to simply delete them. And even if I am planning to use them in future, I can reinstall and reactivate. I don't need to keep them for a longer period of time. So what I need to do is I need to click on this theme details button, and here you can see the delete option is there. So just click on delete. A dialog box will be opened up. Just click on OK. And now this theme is being deleted. Same process with other themes, and delete all the unused themes step by step, so that there is no unused theme in my WordPress dashboard. And right now we have only one theme active as Extra. Similar, you can do it for plugins. So go to plugins, click on install plugins, and from here, whatever inactive plugins that you are not using from long period of time, you can delete them. So first, let's say if you want to inactive some plugin, so you need to click on deactivate. So if the plugin is already installed and activate, you will see this option called deactivate. So first you need to deactivate the plugin by clicking on this button. So whatever plugins you are not supposed to use, just deactivate them. As soon as you deactivate them, you will find them all in inactive category, like here. So we have, let's say, 2 plugins in inactive category. If I want to delete all of them at once, so what I need to do is I need to just click on this checkbox and all the plugins will be selected. And now from here, I can click on delete and apply and click on OK. So that's how you can delete all the unused plugins once, in just single click. And now I have only active plugins in place and not any inactive plugin. So please remember, you should always remove inactive themes or inactive plugins to keep the website updated and to make sure that your website is safe and no loopholes are there. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever we upload a new video on our YouTube channel.